In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a PDF to your Squarespace website. First, open your Squarespace site and navigate to the left-hand menu. Click on the Pages option. Then, click on the plus icon to add a new page. From the list of available page types, scroll down and select Link. This allows you to create a page that links directly to your uploaded file. By default, the link is set to a URL. Click on the URL option and switch it to File. Once that's done, click the Upload button to browse for and select your PDF file from your device. After your file is uploaded, enter a title for the link. This title will be displayed in the navigation menu and will serve as the clickable text to open the PDF. Click Save to complete the setup. Now go back to your list of pages. Drag this newly created link page into the main navigation section so it appears at the top of your website. Once it's there, your PDF link will be visible in the site's main menu. When someone clicks on it, the PDF will open in a new browser tab. That's how you can upload and link a PDF on Squarespace.